Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to FaceTime on Android. So let's jump right into it. On the right side of the screen we have the iPhone and on the left side we have the Android device. First thing you need to do is to open FaceTime from your iPhone and then tap on create link right here. From here choose a method to share the link with the Android device. You can copy it. I'm just going to send it via Instagram. I share it. Once I send it, I receive the notification from the Android device in a second. I go ahead and open it. And then I tap on the link to open it. Now here it will open in the Instagram browser. I'll take it to the Chrome browser just like that. I just prefer Chrome. You wait for a second. This screen will pop up. Tap your name and then tap on continue. Wait for a bit, and then once this screen pops up, now tap on join right here. You get a notification on your iPhone. Go ahead and tap on it to open it, and then tap on join on the iPhone screen as well. And just like that, you're going to be a FaceTime with the Android device. Now this screen is still black here because of connectivity issues. Other than that, if this video is helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.